Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix this error that you get while trying to open a Word file. To get started, simply open your File Explorer. Then in the top and right corner, if the preview pane is active, simply click on it to disable it and see if the issue gets resolved or not. However, if it doesn't, then proceed ahead with the next method. Simply search for Registry Editor and open it. Now go to the video description and copy this registry location from there. Paste it in the address bar of Registry Editor and hit enter. Here you'll get a key, cache key. Simply right click over it and click on modify. Now under value data, delete the characters up to inet cache and type temporary internet files and click on OK. Close the registry editor, restart your computer and the issue will get resolved. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.